Hello everyone, this is Scarlett from Acer. Today we came to Yueyang Kaimeite Gases Company Limited. Kaimeite Gases was founded in 1991, is one of the largest gas company in China. On the right, this is the factory of Yueyang Kaimeite Specialty Real Gases Company Limited. It's a subsidiary of Yueyang Kaimeite Gases Company Limited, which produces electronic specialty real gases, fluorine-based gas mixtures, hydrogen chloride gas mixtures, dynamically blended inert laser gas mixtures, and other high-purity gases. Kaimeite plans to build 25 sets of electronic special gases and mixed gases production and processing equipment in batches, and has completed 12 sets. The factory is divided into number 1 and number 2 plants with an area of approximately 11,200 square meters. This one behind me is number 1 plant. Now I'm on the first floor of number 1 plant. They are the hydrogen plant, xenon and krypton plant, the carbon dioxide and helium filling units. Here is the second floor. There are 4 UHP, argon, nitrogen, helium, and neon plants on the second floor. There are fluorine-based gas mixing plant and the hydrogen chloride gas mixing plant on the third floor. On the third floor, there are 3 high-standard gas laboratories, and this is one of them. The laboratory can be used to analyze the impurity content and mixing ratio of fluorine-based mixtures, hydrogen chloride-based mixtures, high-purity real gases and inert mixtures, as well as metal ions in carbon dioxide. Analytical instruments include chromatography, infrared spectroscopy, trace water oxygen analyzer, ion chromatography, general circulation models, ultraviolet spectroscopy, etc. Also, there is a clean room for real-time monitoring of the gas production process and quality analysis. Plant number 2 includes a cylinder handling workshop and a national cylinder inspection station. It's used for cylinder inner wall treatment and result analysis. Here is our warehouse, fully stocked with all types of cylinders and valves, ready to meet all your supply needs, and we will carefully check and tightly pack before shipment. Through more than 3 decades of development, we have a sound industrial base and resources, rich experience in research and development, production, and trade. We also have long-term and stable cooperation with many of the world's leading companies, research and development organizations, also have received many positive reviews.